You're gonna take your biscuit dough and cut that into 2 pieces. Spread that out.
It's just the...
Yeah, these are these Grand biscuits. They're super versatile. Pizza sauce, just a touch. Right in the middle, not too much. Add a piece of pepperoni. And then we're gonna take some of this beautiful mozzarella balls. This is the good stuff, y'all.
Fresh mozzarella.
Delicious mozzarella inside of our biscuit pocket here. Roll that up into a ball. Perfect, that goes right into our bundt pan. So we've got 1 can of biscuits there in the bottom of our bundt pan, and now we're gonna make some sauce to drizzle over that using a little bit of olive oil.
Extra virgin.
Extra virgin.
Do you know where to get extra virgin olive oil from?
Where do they get extra virgin olive oil from?
From really ugly olives.
That's my husband, ladies and gentlemen. And we're adding just a little bit of Italian seasoning in that.
All right.
And I like mine to be a little bit spicy. I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper flakes. This is optional. Of course, anything in it is optional. If you don't like pepperoni, you wanna make yours with ham and pineapple, you can do that. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Does pineapple go on pizza or no? What do you think, Kyle?
We should try one with pineapple in it.
That's a good idea, actually. So now we're gonna add some garlic. Everybody loves garlic.
Except vampires, they don't like garlic.
Correct, vampires do not like garlic. We're gonna mix that up, and then we're gonna add another can of biscuits. There you go, look at that. Beautiful. Next, just to add a little bit of color, I'm gonna use some of these mini pepperonis and just kind of throw a few of those in there as well. These are just some extra. That one got away from
I got
me.
one down the hole.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna need some cheese. A
Cheese?
different kind of cheese. We already used mozzarella, but this time I want some Parmesan.
Parmesan? Oh,
Yeah,
I can get
it's
that.
in the fridge.
That's in the fridge. All right, Parmesan cheese. Yes, right here. Great.
Perfect. Now we're gonna take this and sprinkle that right over the top. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. I can't wait to try this. All right, now we're gonna go back in. Repeat that first step using a second can of these biscuits and the mozzarella and pizza sauce and pepperoni. All right, now we're just gonna drizzle that second layer with our olive oil and seasoning. And then we're gonna pop this in the oven. Doesn't that look delicious?
Good.
All right, I'm using my silicone bundt pan. I'm gonna need some help opening that.
Uh-oh. There you go.
350 degrees is what we got the oven set for. And there we go. Should take about 30 to 35 minutes. All right, I'm gonna show y'all a really quick and beautiful appetizer that you can make. And this is so simple. You're just gonna take some basil leaves, some grape tomatoes, and some of these mozzarella balls. Now we're gonna start by just pinching off some of our basil. And we're gonna use one of these little skewers, and it goes right on. We're gonna take one of our mozzarella balls, and you can actually buy these in packs of 3 where they're really nice and round balls. This is a larger pack where you get a lot of them.
They're pearls.
These are the pearls, but you can get them in the balls as well. And now I'm gonna take 2 of these grape tomatoes, and we're gonna cut this at a precise angle.
Okay.
Did y'all notice I got a new set of knives?
Fancy.
That came because you said I needed to get new knives, and I heard you. Okay. You can give me tips, by the way, too. I am learning. I am the first to admit I am not a chef. We are learning as we go here. You see how I cut it at that angle?
All right.
Try that one.
Go put
How
your
do
fingers
I don't know,
on.
this is really tricky. I want to make sure you guys can see it, but I don't want to cut myself.
I think you got a good shot.
How's
All right.
that? Got it?
good.
All right, beautiful. Now we're going to take this half. I want to make sure it goes in at the right point.
Arts and crafts project.
Kind of.
All right.
All right, there's that.
All right.
Y'all see where this is going?
I see.
Look at that.
There you go.
This is a beautiful, you saw what I was trying to do there.
Yeah.
Get your leaf on this side. A beautiful and delicious, and dare I say, fancy appetizer that you can serve at your party. In fact, this would be a perfect addition to that pizza pull-apart bread that we're making right now. It smells so good, doesn't it? The pull-apart pizza bread's ready. I can't wait to taste this.
Ooh, look at that.
Nice and golden brown on top.
Good.
All right, now this is the tricky part. We gotta flip this over
You can put it in that bowl.
inside of the serving dish.
Okay.
Here we go.
Ready?
I'm a little nervous.
Oof.
Okay.
All right, you did that.
All right.
Now the big reveal. I'm
Now-
excited.
Remember everything that we put in there? We had our biscuit dough, and inside of that we had the pizza sauce, and I used jarred sauce, but y'all know you can make it homemade if you like to. Let me know in the comments if you prefer quick and easy or homemade, because I'll see what you want and I'll do that next. Then we put some pepperoni and we put some mozzarella and a mixture of oil and herbs
Look at that.
and a little bit of Parmesan. Wow, this is nice and crispy. Okay, I can't wait to try this, but we're gonna add some parsley. We already have Italian seasoning in there, but I think we can hit that with a little bit more just to have some color.
Okay.
Oh, and there's some red pepper flakes and some garlic. Here's the rest of our pizza sauce. Look at that, y'all.
That looks
And our
great.
appetizers that we made earlier. All right, Kyle, it's time for you to get in
Taste
here
test
and
time?
test.
All right.
So we should be able to just pull this apart with our fingers. Now, I think I was a little heavy on the oil, but you don't have to do that. You can do this however you prefer. Which piece do you want? How do we
I
even
can
do
just grab some and pull it apart like
grab
this.
it?
So this is what, yeah, just like that.
Okay, wow, look at that. The biscuit dough is cooked perfectly.
All right.
Dip it in the sauce. All right.
Cheers. Oh, I didn't get any sauce. There we go.
It's really good, isn't it? Oh man, that's good.
It's like a little pizza. It's incredible.
Why did I not do this sooner?
So good.
You have to try this one.
2 thumbs
Oh, I
up.
got some pepper flakes. Woo, that was hot.